Kajingrap coffee but cocoa jongka Meghalaya kan Nongkyndong state kum kan nuksana kabenta karoi kapar kabayai ne Nongkyndong. Menteri Kesorkar Jela Marcus Marak ha kajinget jurep ya kajaka rep ha West Garo Hills ulaya ro ya Kyntiew jongka rep coffee but kirukom rep kle lang kiba kentup ya ukwai. Ula ong ba ka jela kan la ban ya rengkat kerdan bat kinong penmi mar ha ka perthei. Kane ka project ka kershan ru ya ka jing penne pensa ya ka bat ka jing penmi ya ka lat kamai. Ka jing rep koko ha aru ragre kala dep banyo jing itu na ki company baper kentup na ka Cadbury.
So there, from the Soil and Water Conservation Department, we have taken up a plantation project called coffee plantation. So I went to check the plantation there, how it's doing and whether all the coffee already planted is doing well, growing well. I just want to see that. So I went, I checked the plantations. It's growing well, and I have talked to the villagers there. I had a small meeting with the villagers and told the importance of coffee plantation there.